next type of poems that we're going to talk about are lyric poems. A lyric poem expresses a person's feelings. It may or may not be set to music or rhyme. Sometimes it may only have a part that is presented with music. So all of you guys are pretty familiar with Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. This nursery rhyme is a lyric poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. And I'm pretty sure you can think of some other nursery rhymes that you heard growing up that are also lyric poems. So what you're going to do on the next slide, you're going to either think about a nursery rhyme, or you can think about a song, your favorite song that's school appropriate, and you're going to type it here. If you would like to challenge yourself and you like to create songs or you like to create your own lyrics, you are more than welcome to do that here. So again, you can either write a nursery rhyme that you're familiar with, you can write the lyrics of your favorite school appropriate song, or you can come up with your own school appropriate lyrics and type them here.